Alright. Streaming or not, here I come. Yes, okay. Alright. So, still writing a web scraper in Rust. Yeah, in the meantime, I've implemented, but without streaming off stream, the parsing of a Gemini web page, and I've also fixed. I have also fixed the serialization and deserialization, and other minor thing like serializing the URL now, or in the header I actually parse the MIME type, and so on and so on and so on. So yeah, and I was just looking into Cargo Clippy, which is apparently a linter for Rust, and I'm discovering a few things like that are suboptimal. So 200 split once. I have 2 split ones. Yeah, for the. Okay, I can replace that with a character, sure. 200. So apparently I don't need the toString, which would make sense. Maybe it does the same. toString applied to a type that implements display. So I guess toString just calls display. Yeah, I'm not sure. I hope it formats it correctly, but we'll see. I have another replace. Yes, there. This can be a character. I'm guessing this can be a character as well. Clippy. And I also discovered that I was doing like collect. I was doing a map and then collect to collect the results. So it's a map that outputs a result, and then you collect everything into just all the results into one result. I don't remember how this operator is called in Haskell, but it's a thing I learned in Haskell. Monoid, maybe? Probably not. I don't remember. Maybe actually a monad. Yeah, maybe actually it was a monad. Or an applied functor. God, I forgot. Anyway, but I was doing that, but apparently there is a shortcut which is just try for each, and apparently it's more efficient because it doesn't consume the whole thing, it just stops at the first error. So that's nice. Clippy. So vec, we can have yes, URLs. We can have a slice. That's fine. Remove it entirely, okay. Change this to URL. This expression creates a reference which is immediately dereferenced by the compiler. Oh. I'm confused. So get takes the reference to Q. That confuses me a little bit. Okay. So I have a Tokyo thingy in main, I guess. Oh, don't need Tokyo. Ah yes, I'm dumb. By default, it's already there. Okay. And then adjacent thing. 47 adjacent thing is that. Apparently it doesn't change anything. Alright. No more linting errors. Alright. I mean, those are all nitpicks, but Yes, it's nice that it's an automated process to fix them. Mm. Pudum. Ah yes, and now I'm storing, instead of storing only the URL in the graph, I'm storing the whole response, so the header and the body and so on and so on. So that well, now I have a database of a graph database, kinda, that stores all the web pages, and so yeah, later hopefully I can search into that database and make a search engine. But for today, I was thinking of wait, first what did I modify last time? This, and today is just linting error, whatever. Let's just do a quick commit. Fix Clippy. No, let's call it linting warnings. And no GPG sign. Okay. So today I wanted to refactor a bit the main code so that I don't use recursions anymore. Even though I love recursions, async doesn't play well with it, and it's a bit it's not great. It's a bit weird. So yeah. Already, can't I just do this? Can I just do let if let okay redirect URL this is equal to the response. Fuck. Can I do a do while loop in Rust, or do I have to do a while like a loop and then break like a weirdo? Yeah, fuck it. Let's just do a thing that is less clean in my opinion, but result like that. I don't know. Result is like this. Wait, no, actually, response, and we do like this. We had a question mark. And we do if let if let I guess it's Gemini header redirect URL is equal to response header. Actually, maybe this can be for redirect count and We don't care, we just want in 0 to max redirect, like so. And just do like move this here. If the loop is done, is that we exceeded the number of redirects. And actually, let me not allow 256. That's a bit too much. Let's just allow, I don't know, 16. So can we do let URL is equal to URL? Oh yeah, but this is scoped. Kind of lame. And can I make this mutable? No. Can I make this mutable? No. Can I make this mutable? Yes. And let's make this U. Sure. Expected due to this value. Ah, fuck. I don't know. Can I just... Yeah, because if I just do this, will it work? No, it won't. No, it won't. Can I clone it and then do this? Yeah, that doesn't work either. Can I do a weird thing where we do this? This is starting to get a bit ugly, but oh well. Consider borrowing there. Yeah, that's fine. Else break. Yeah, I don't really like what I'm doing here, but don't really like what I'm doing here. Really don't like this code. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's leave the recursions for this one. Let's leave the recursion for this one. Even though it's a bit strange. But the main one I wanted to change was this one. I would like to modify this to become to use a queue instead of a recursion. And also, yeah. The thing that is annoying with this recursive thing is that it's like depth first search. So, but I would like maybe a more like breadth first search, if possible. let's see. Tokyo. Shared state. Contact to manage the state and use message passing to operate on it. So apparently there is a thing that is somewhat similar to threads, but for async.io, which is a task. So it has a task to client get, client set. Message passing. Tokyo provide a number of channels which each serve a different purpose. Multi-producer, single consumer channel. Single producer, single consumer. Multi-producer, multi-consumer. Single producer, multi-consumer. Okay. Where is my... Whoops, no. Sketchpad, I think. Was that the thing? Okay, can I get a new sketchpad, please? So, sure, that's fine. God damn it, a Unity account that dabs. That doesn't want to make me want to use your thing, my guy. So, I have like a... How do you call it? Can I type texts? Yes. Crawler. Then I have no, Q. And then I have a, I don't know. Query. And like the crawler is feeding to the queue, and then there is a query that pulls from the queue and parses the web page, modifies the thing. Or maybe that's overkill. Not sure how to think about it. Not sure how to think about it. There is a receiver and a transmitter. Then you send some stuff, which will be the URL in our case. And then watch Eric's await. Interval. Sleep duration second. Select interval tick. Because yeah, I mean, I'm looking into channels, but channels are basically like a one-shot channel is basically a shared queue, I guess. I don't have any multi anything, so yeah, I think one shot is good, I guess. Define a message, the message type. Mm. And I wonder if there is a cleaner way to so that I can eliminate this RC ref cell thingy. Um, because I mean I'm kind of forced to have like a shared state for to keep track of the URL I've already visited. Uh, um, visit URL recursion. Actually, now that the rest is adapted, this function is kind of small, so it wouldn't be too much. So yeah, let's just write pseudocode. Oh fuck, I hate when it does this. So it will be like, I don't know, q is equal to something. Then we have a loop. Then we have visit. No, we have Gemini get response is equal to this. We do, I don't know, q pop. URL is equal to q pop. And then the URL goes there. Let's stop the LSP for now. We get a response, and then we get let URLs is equal to response Gemini Gemini URLs like so. And then I do I don't know, I think there is an extend thing, URLs, like so. And we do that just while q, while not q is empty. Is it something like that? Except that it's more complex because async wait, and also I have to modify the Gemini web variable. So actually I kind of have like two async tasks where there is one that queries the URL that pops off a queue that contains the URLs, queries the page and then pushes back the URLs on the queue. Ah, fuck, I'm so confused, so confused. Hmm. So, and the IO is just this. You know what? Let's try to do it like without any async IO fanciness and see where it blocks. Rust Q avec DQ. I guess that's good as well. There is also a binary heap if I need to have a priority queue, which could be nice. Because at some point, yeah, I'm not sure. Like if I have a ranking of the most websites, I want to visit the ones that are the most highly ranked first. Hip hop, yes. That's not what I want. Avec linked list. Yeah. Yeah, I could use the linked list, but who cares? Avec DQ it is, I guess. The default usage of this as of type queue is push back to add to the queue and pop from to remove from the queue. Extend and happen, push on to the back in this manner and iterating over goes front to back. Okay, let's try to do this. So use std collections avec actually let's comment this out. LSP starts hop, avec DQ Q like so. Apparently I cannot spell DQ. So we let mut q is equal to vec dq new. Not sure. Yeah, that's fine. I can do that as well. Yeah, sure. Then I do. Actually, I need to push base URL into this. So q push back base URL. Oh, base URL like so. So I do, and it says pop front like so. Can you shut up a little bit? Yes. Then I get a response like so. I'm guessing I need to await that. Like so. Gemini get. What do you want, Gemini get? I just want a URL. Well, I'm giving you one. Cargo build. Expected URL found option. Oh, pop front is. I guess I could do like while let some URL is equal to q pop font like so. Then I do this, and then I do this, and okay. Then I need to node IDs. And so this will do a breadth first search. God damn it, this is hard to say. By default, since it will try the one that we tried that we discovered the oldest first. So if you have like the initial page and then it has 10 links, it will try the first one, discover more URLs, put them into the queue, but then it won't like go deeper into those URLs. It will first visit the one that we discovered on the original page, which I think is what I want. I think with this method it will be like a more, I don't know, uniform graph. I mean, it's probably not the exact correct term, but oh god, I love cold coffee. Bonjour Elliot. I'm not Elliot. Who is Elliot? Ah yeah, fuck, Mr. Robot, the guy. Let's go. Well, I mean, Elliot with a yellow hoodie. That's kinda... It's not very Elliot-like, but sure. I don't mind being called Mr. Robot. It was a great show, but yeah, the end was kind of weird. I don't know. But yeah, Elliot at home. Yeah, Elliot is chilling. So yeah, this is Brett's first search. And now I guess I need that as well. Gemini Web. Syntax error semicolon? What? How is that a syntax error? Expected semicolon. The fuck are you saying? What's the progress on the scraper? Well, it's going pretty well, I would say. Now I have like a whole struct to like represent kind of the state of what I've gathered. So I have like a graph of the link between the pages. Visited, of course, to check that a URL is already visited or not. And now I also have like a thing that maps a URL to like the body of the page, so like the actual content of the page. And upstream, I've done the parsing of that. So now I have a associated with each URL, I have like a Gemini response, which is parsed to like a thing where it has like lines, link, and I parse the list item and the header, basically the Gemini format. Which for now doesn't matter so much, but in the future, when I actually want to do the search engine, I think it will be nice. So yeah, going pretty well, I would say. And what I'm doing now is that I'm trying to remove the recursion. Even though I love recursion, I have to do weird stuff to make it play well with asynchronous code, like this weird macro that I don't understand. And so I would like to replace that by just a queue and a while loop. And also the benefit of that is that it's going to do breadth first search instead of depth first search, which I think will be more coherent in my case. And yeah, I guess one of the issues I have with this is I still haven't found a way to throttle it properly. So like it goes really, really fast, and I've noticed even that the stream, like the stream is going, like the bitrate is going down because I download so much content at once. But also I notice I'm getting banned or like temporarily banned, you know, like retry in 10 seconds kind of thing. So yeah. Can I really don't understand why the fuck expected semicolon. Okay, I'm so confused. Cargo build. Okay, I guess the LSP is just going crazy. Peut-être result machin, yes. Can I just restart the thing? Okay, better. Better. Function SP, and can I do the and okay web take? That shouldn't change, I guess. So I want to make this mutable, and I want to disable this, and I don't need dust anymore. And I don't need the take. Okay. So I need the node IDs as well, I guess. So I create nodes for every single URL that I get. That makes sense. Next, I think we just want going to copy paste this. I can append them to the queue already, that's fine. But then after I do that, I have like a bunch of futures. So this is all good, I think. I map the URL node ID. Ah wait, no, that's not good, because that was the recursive part. And so we don't care about that anymore. So can I just throw that away? Base node ID. I'm guessing this needs to be actually a tuple of base URL and base node ID. And so I'm guessing this is a URL, this is a node ID. And this is like so. And what I need to extend it with is URL, iter, zip, node IDs, like so. And we need to collect this. I don't know. What does extend expect? Can be into iterator. Let's see. Expected URL found. This. Ah, okay. I just need to clone it. Cloned. Okay. And does that just work? If I don't need the depth anymore. Let's just make it, ignore it for now. But so all of this, I guess I can duplicate this and doing visiting URL like so. I need to do that as well. Can I do like let URLs is equal to URLs iter filter if web visited, is it called visited still? Try visit. Oh, web, where is my visited? Okay, let's just make it public because I'm just trying to make this work for now. Contains contains you, and we want it to not be contained. Collect, and we want to collect that into into whatever it was before. Just vec. What does this return? Vec URL can be the same, I guess. Cannot be built from iterator. Does it need to be cloned somehow? Yeah. Cloned. Like so. So yeah. And I guess I need to do web, visited, insert, URL. Yeah, and we can clone it. Okay. Can remove all that. Can remove that. Alright. And apparently that should just build. Can I run it? Oh, okay. Well, I guess it kind of works, not really, but also it's slow as shit now. So I guess I kind of canceled my async await. Since now it's just a while loop that always awaits. So my guess is that now I need to use a channel instead of just a regular queue. I need to use a channel instead of a regular queue. So channels. I'm guessing it's a one-shot channel. So I would do let tx rx is equal to Tokyo sync one shot. So a one-shot channel is used for sending a single message between asynchronous tasks. I think that's what I want. Huh? I don't need like multiple tasks. Just one that queries the URL and one that upgrades the graph, I guess, and puts it back onto the thing. One shot channel. So I would do like Tokyo spawn. So it's async move. I don't know. Query like so. And so this would just do like while let some, I'm guessing, URL is equal to it's gonna get a URL from the receiver. Is there a link to the documentation? Spawn while let something. Ah, okay, it's receive. Receive. And was Tokyo. Tokyo. I don't know. Wait, I'm trying to think because it's gonna need to push back onto the thing. What is a stream? Streams. Those are iterators. Tokyo pin messages. Stream, try stream. Fuck, I'm getting confused. Async in depth. Shared state. Spawn attacks to manage the state and use message passing to operate on it. Update process. Multi-producer, single consumer channel. So do I have like I don't know, URL this, and then do we have like response this, like 2 channels actually, where this pulls from the URL channel, it does like something like this. Let's do unwrap for now. Gets a response, and then it does like response tx send response. And so let parser, I guess, is equal to Tokyo spawn, then another one, and there is a method similar name. Receive, try receive, blocking receive. There is no receive. Tokyo, one shot. This one, yes. Send the receiver, so we can send and we can await. Match await, okay. So the receiver receive a value from the associated sender created by channel function. By the way, is one shot like one message? Sending a single message. Ah, fuck, okay. That's not what I want. Broadcast, a multi-producer, each send value is sent by all consumer. Future, a multi-producer single consumer queue for sending. Single value, single producer, multi-consumer. I guess this one, even though I don't have multi-producer, MPC, provides 2 variants of this string, bounded and unbounded. The bounded has limit number of messages it can store, and the limit is reached. We'll wait until. Okay. I guess I need a bounded receiver. A bounded MPC. MPSC. Is there like. Yeah. Channel. Unbounded. Create a bounded. Yes, that's what I want. So. Use Tokyo sync MPSC, and what I want is then MPSC channel, and I guess const a channel len, I don't know. Yeah, len is equal to I don't know, 10 size, meaning we can query 10 URL at a time, I guess. I mean, you can store 10 URLs in that queue. And so channel length, and so we need to send await. And we need to while let some receive. So it is receive, and then but we have to await the receive. Await receive. So future can be moved between threads. And this is also an await, I'm guessing. Send is not marked for the int function. This. The trait is not implemented for the in future. Gemini response. Future created by async block is not send. And if I have this, cannot infer type for parameter t. Yeah, okay. Can I like mark this as a URL? Can I do that? Okay. Just URL like so. Yes, like so. And this needs to be mutable, I'm guessing. Okay. And so, okay, and this is fucked because I don't have the, I do not have the, this. How about now? Do I have it? Oh. Oh yes, I have it now. Okay, so I needed to disable the send, but only for this weirdness because I'm sharing a web thing, but for the other one it's fine. So response, yes, I get a response, and then a response dx, like so. And we do send, and do if let this is equal to this awaits. We do drop, and so we can break. Okay. So you have a thing that loops over, that gets a URL from the receiver channel. Then it does a query and pushes that query onto the send one. Then I want a parser. Whoops, I fuck up the mic. Async move like so. Actually, I don't need another one. This can just be the main one, I guess. Where I just do while let some response is equal to response rx receive money. Oh, don't care. Receive await like so, and now we have a response. And I'm guessing we need to do all this, except that of qextend we need to URL tx. We need to send. Just can I? Is there like a send? Try send. Can I send like a vector? Reserve money, same channel, max capacity. Send timeout, reserve money. downgrade. Okay, who cares? I can just do for you in URLs. We send you, and I'm guessing we need to await. So there is no more queue. There is no more this. And there is no node ID. I don't think we need this anymore. Gemini reuse in response. Don't think so. I don't think that one needs the node ID, but this one needs the node ID. How did I got the node ID? So I got them from here, and the initial one is created here. Where do I do base node ID? Okay, it was. Okay, it's from there, so I have base node ID and base URL. Fuck. Can I do URL tx send base URL like so? This can be awaited. I'm guessing we're gonna have to clone this. But so next we need to associate yeah, I'm guessing we need to send a URL back with a response like so. And this is URL response like so. And so we need to do web add node. We need to do node ID is this, and this is not base URL, this is just URL, like so, and we actually don't need this. Cannot borrow this as mutable. Okay, this needs to be mutable as well. And send, I guess we need to unwrap. Node IDs. God damn it. This is getting funky. This is getting funky. But yeah, even though that would work, like, and I passed other stuff with it, it will still suck because I await everything. So would it actually be faster? I'm not sure it would. True, maybe it would because I could do 10 at a time, or like any number of things at a time. So do I need to still do this and then I do base node ID like so, and here it's like node ID URL, and then here I send back node ID response, and here I have like node ID this, and here I have the node IDs, and I do iter zip node IDs like so, and here I have this U and I have node ID, and here I send node ID with U, and this can be cloned, I don't mind. Unwrap, or in this case it can be like this. So this is a future. Okay. That's kind of sketchy. So I add the initial URL, create two channels, push the initial URL to the graph. Then I have an infinite while loop that will get all that will get URLs after URLs, get the page and push the response on another queue. And then I just have an infinite while loop that gets the response and the associated node IDs, gets the URL in the page, filters the URL so that it doesn't contain any visited ones. Then I add the URL to the web. I think I would also like to send the URL there, so that I can do before I filter it, I do visited. Add URLs. So for this, there was only add URL here. I don't need to add like a single one. Yes. And actually, I would like to reorder those so that it's a bit consistent, a bit more consistent, like so. Okay, let's. Can I build it? Yes, I can. Can I run it? No, I cannot. So, error, invalid data. Stream did not contain valid UTF-8. Visiting some weird website. Tokyo runtime worker. Result unwrap. Rust back trace is equal to 1. Yes, but I did read that the backtrace is kinda crazy when you use async. I'm guessing that there is an unwrap here. Don't want to unwrap this. Can I do match this? And if it's okay, we just return the response. If it's an error, we say println error Gemini get whatever, like so, and we just continue, I guess. Yeah. Where else do I have an unwrap? Yeah, but this unwrap is for the send. Yeah, I think that's fine. I think that is fine, and also I can make it a little cleaner. How is it going? Going pretty good. Still writing my web scraper, like Gemini web scraper, but this time I'm trying to make it without a recursion, which and like understand a bit more how to pass messages between async IO processes, which is tricky, I think, but getting there, I think. Okay, so I need my this, and I need to print when I visit a URL, I think. Which is just this, I guess. Visiting a URL. Let's see, do you go fast? Any stream did not contain valid UTF-8. What's Gemini protocol, the AI? Oh no, that's something else. But I think this Gemini was named before the Gemini AI. I've heard that there is also protocol. That's not an AI. That's like an HTTP alternative. So it's like a more minimalistic web. But Gemini AI, yeah, wasn't that like a GPT kind of model? Ah yeah, it's the new Google DeepMind thingy. I remember seeing the hype video about this. Gemini stream did not contain valid UTF-8. HTTP alternative. Yeah, it's like a minimal version of the web. So so if you do like yeah. So for example, Amphora is a web browser for it, a browser for it. And so the URLs for it start with gemini.2.// so that you know it's another protocol. And for example, if you go on that, that's a Gemini web page, for example. And then, yeah, for example, those are links, and you can go on them. Like if I press 5, I go on another. Oh fuck, that's an HTTP web page. Wait, let me. I don't know. For example, all internal web page. What are those? Oh no, that's browser specific. Project Gemini. Okay, so this is the official web page, Gemini page of the Gemini project, and then you can go somewhere else, and that's how you navigate it. It's like a very minimal version of the web. There is no JavaScript and so on and so on. The only thing you can have is a links, headers, just regular text, and you can have lists as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But for example, if I go there, oh, yeah, I don't want that. 27. I need your feed URL. Don't know what that is. Oh. Okay, apparently he wants me to subscribe to something, I don't know. Kind of looks like early days of the web. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh. So if I pick like a random one, it's fun to explore, you know, it's a bit of a underground thing, so you see a lot of weird web page. So like this one. Wasn't been there. You meant you weren't there for the early days of the web. Yeah, me neither, but still kind of cool to explore these kinds of stuff. Hacker Njol and something. And so, Hispagatos, Anarchist Hacker Collective. Okay. I can decentralize the system. Newer. That resolves around hacker ethic and Stephen Levy and libertarian socialism ideas. We work hard to preserve hacker culture, decentralization, security, and privacy in cyberspace. Okay, sounds like a cringe 14-year-old, but okay. And so yeah. 44. Yeah, maybe okay. Huh. Anyway, so this is Gemini. Cool. Yes, it's pretty fun. But so you can understand why I want to do web scraper for this, because it's much easier to parse this and have fun as like an educational project than parsing modern HTML or like have to worry about random JavaScript bullshit and so on and so on. So there is no queue extend. Got it. Do they use HTML or no? There is zero HTML. They use what they call gem text. I mean that's what I was showing you. Yeah, this is basically it. Like you can have like headers by prefixing them with a hashtag. You can have lists. You can have links, and that's it. And also just text. So it's very similar to Markdown in a way, except it's like even more minimal than Markdown. So yeah. Damn, it was going fast with the recursive approach, but now it's kind of slow and lame. And also it doesn't work. Gemini get. Yeah. What was my timeout again? Timeout. Timeout is 2 seconds. About 1 second. And when I run it, did it like... Okay, so it is visiting some stuff. It is slow as shit now. It is very, very, very slow. Wait, and also, where is my error? Gemini gets thingy, think, forgot to do ln. So, how do I make this back to work in parallel? And apparently I'm missing a timeout somewhere because this runs forever. Stream did not contain valid UTF-8. Is that page just garbage? Failed to connect to server. Okay, so the web page itself is bad, so makes sense that my thing fails. But why is it so slow? I mean, since the length of a channel is maybe... What if I just increase the channel length to like 200? So that it can be 200 URL at a time. Oh, okay, that was it. Now it's faster. I see. Alright. I mean, it's faster until I reach a certain point. So I reach 200 URLs, I guess. So some are getting stuck into the queue. Some are getting stuck into the queue. I guess I should put this this one here. Confused. So all of those are garbage? No, those are good. Okay, so my stuff is having trouble. Or maybe it was like earlier ones? Hmm. Invalid header type perm fail. Stream did not contain valid UTF-8. Wait. Next to this, can I just print the URL? Okay, so this one does not contain... Ah, okay, it's JPEG, so of course it doesn't work. What else? Perm fail, not valid UTF-8, yes, that's JPEG. Then I have a bunch of JPEG, and of course they are all thing. Can I? Where do I check that the mime type is this? Yes. I need to. Where do I check for the scheme? It's there. Dum, 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 dum. I guess this is the kind of web protocol that will be used in Mars in the future. I don't know. I have no clue. But yeah, I guess if like the the bandwidth between Mars and Earth is limited, they would use like a minimal protocol. I would guess it would be even more optimized than this, where it's like there's like a compression scheme and so on. But yeah. Although I wonder, like, will the connection between Mars and Earth be that bad? Yeah, I don't know. I guess Mars is pretty far. So yeah. I wonder what was the name of the NASA robot that went on Mars again? Curiosity something. I wonder how it communicates to Earth. Like what kind of protocol there should be. There should be what? But yeah, not found. Text. Gemini. Scheme, okay. Okay, that's fine. My problem is that the response is yeah, read like this. Stream, read exact, read to end. I don't want to read to string, I guess. I don't know. Read exact. Read the exact number of bytes required to fill buff. Read buff. Yeah, okay. Guess we can just put a to do parse header in buff instead of trying to put the whole response in a string. Some response contain binary data like images, but still have a valid header. But I guess in my case, who cares? Like, yeah. We could focus for now on thing that only end up with the GMI extension. Sure, let's try that. And URL path. Path segments. Path segment put. Is there like an extension? Oh, is there an extension? No. Scheme path, query, as string, origin, domain, username as host, those fragments. Fragment. No. Set path, set port, authority, is special. Path, segments, last. That's can I do last? Enter, last. Wrap. Ah, fuck it. Let's just let it fail. I'm too lazy already. So when it's an image, it will fail. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. But also, it's very slow now, which is somewhat annoying. Somewhat annoying. What if I just increase this to like 2000? Well, I can. So it seems to be working, although it's slow. It is quite slow. So this is just a bunch of images, so of course it will just fail. There is a bug with the newest version of Go. Took me 1 day and a half to understand what was going on. There is? What's the bug? What is the bug? Hmm. You know about the new routing feature? Yeah, I've heard of it. Golang routing. Golang HTTP. I guess it's built into the HTTP server now. Not HTTP. Never mind, do your own project. No, it's fine. I'm curious. Servers. Yeah, that was what I was using before. Go to points. Yeah, I think it is Go, the latest version, or at least the documentation. Redirect proxy URL, proxy from. Isn't there like an example? Go 1.22 HTTP server. Handle func get path. Is that it? You can just prefix stuff with get now? And you have like, oh, okay, you have variables as well. Okay, yeah, that's somewhat nice, I guess. I thought it was more than this, but okay. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, just new routing feature, like. Okay. Well, this doesn't entirely replace the need for a library, but I guess for a very simple HTTP server, it makes it easier. I remember using the fiber library for Golang, which was quite nice and intuitive. If you were ever into that. Chook, 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 chook. It's very similar to Express in JavaScript. So, back to my thing. Is there like a response? Because at some point it gets stuck. Blocking into... Where could it get stuck? So... URL rx. This one receives URL and transmits a response. Wait, oops. Can't I, like this should never happen actually. Wrap. Why is this happening? I mean, I'm guessing it happens, but... How about, let's make it... I picked up Golang after looking at what it can do just with the stdlib. Might change my mind in the future. Yeah, I mean, the stdlib is nice, but it's okay to use a library sometimes, huh? Especially if you're gonna make a decent website, like, might as well use a small library. I think GoFiber is very small now, to be honest. Like, if you know Express in JavaScript, it's a very small library as well. And so it mimics a bit that, so it's very small as well. Not a lot of stuff to learn. Why are you blocking, my dude? Why are you blocking? Ah la 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 la. It was so fast before. It was so fast. So, does this guy exist? Oh my god, I'm so burned out, but I got everything done during this crunch. that I wanted to get done. I'll have time to get caught up back up on the small internet and hang out in places like raw text more again. Alright. Wasn't like raw text some kind of Twitter alternative? Forgot. Do you like Charles Babbage? Are you saying this because my name's Charles? But yeah, I forgot who Charles Babbage is. Didn't he make like one of the first computer with Ada Lovelace or something? Charles Babbage. Polymath mathematician, philosopher, concept, digital programming, considered to be the father of the computer. Ah, yes. Okay, so my daddy of computer is computer daddy. That's how they call him. Wasn't there like a link with Ada Lovelace at some point? Yes, there is. In this context, function composition complete in general. Yes. Babbage knew of it, and it was later noted by Ada Lovelace as compatible with the analytical engine. Ah, yes, the analytical engine. Yeah, okay, I remember. Well, did they ever build the analytical engine or analytical engine? Was a proposed digital mechanic designed by English mathematician Charles Babbage. Difference engine. Making the first general purpose computer that could Turing complete. Prochaine calculé par Charles Babbage as displayed. Ooh, that looks fancy. That's something else, I think. Right. Oh, la, 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 la. No offense, you have to work on your English pronunciations. Yeah, maybe. I think it's fine. I think it is quite fine. What was I doing? Yes, one of the channels is getting blocked. MPSC channel. Can I get the length of a channel? Wait, actually maybe it's just in the documentation. Sender. Blocking send capacity. Closed. Salut, je m'appelle Alex. Are you actually French or are you learning French? I don't know, there is a typo. There is two typos, so I'm not sure. Salut, je m'appelle Charles. How is that? I think send. No, I don't. Ich habe Baguette. That sound. Yeah, that sounded like. Don't retract all your messages. But what is hose in German? Hopefully, I'm not gonna German. J'ai de la baguette. Ah, fuck, this is so retarded. Okay, so I guess hose means uh, pants in English. Yeah, in German. J'ai de la baguette. This is the most retarded sentence I've ever seen. What is going on? Don't worry about it. It's too stupid for anybody to care. Fuck. Yes, baguette, croissant. Yes, I was looking for capacity. Close. This allows the producer to get notified when interest in the produced value is cancelled and immediately stop doing work. Capacity. By doing reserve. Shouldn't have used the translator. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Dropping permit. Max capacity, reserve money, reserve on same channel. Send timeout. Maybe I can like send timeout and see to see which one is blocked. So send timeout, and this is like a duration from seconds, and we just do 1 second, and we do okay, or really just unwrap here, I guess. Can I do unwrap? Deadline has elapsed. I'm French professional. What do you mean? Yeah, we can see that. Obviously, obviously a French professional. Fuck, it's blocked again. It is blocked again. Oh no, I get what is happening. Okay, it's trying to visit this URL, but this fails because yeah, I don't know why. And then since it's an infinite loop, it does not work. Okay, but this is I don't know why this page could not get deadline has elapsed. That's weird. Do you know how to center a div? I don't know. Don't remember. Maybe put it in another div and then make the parent div display flex, and the child div you make it align center or something. From what I remember. Or maybe there is some margin trick. If you put like margin 50% or something. So what I need is we do not need base URL, we need base URLs. I'm guessing. So what we need to do is how do I know when it's done? Web scraper, web crapper. How old are you? I mean, baguette in pantalon was fine, but goddamn. Oh. I'm 12. Yeah, I guess that. Why are you watching? Wait, actually, you're probably trolling. But you're probably an adult with a very childish sense of humor, just like me. Welcome to the club. Don't need depth. Let's remove depth. Don't really need that either. So what I need to do is return if I have visited everything. How do I know that I visited everything? I'm guessing we can like do URL receiver close here. Wait, no, not that one. Want to do response receiver close, maybe. No. I'm confused. How do you indicate that something is going to be closed? How do you do that? Channels. So yes, you send something, yes, fine, I don't care. Is there like a close? Close. When every sender has gone out of scope or has otherwise been dropped, it is no longer possible to send more messages into the channel. At this point, the receive call on the receiver will return none, which means that all senders are gone and the channel is closed. But do I close on the receiver or on transmitter? Fuck. I mean, I'm guessing I close the transmitter so that this receiver knows to return none, but it does not exist. What does exist then? I can send, I can close. Okay, I need to drop it. Response TX, I'm guessing. Can I do this? Connection refused. I'm getting also a lot of connection refused, I don't know why. Failed to connect to the connection refused. Okay, so I'm guessing it's not me, it's the server. Is it just down or did I got banned? It is up, so yeah, not sure. Not sure, not sure. Drop. When every sender has gone out of scope or has otherwise been dropped, is no longer able to send more messages into the channel. At this point, the receive call on receiver will return none. So okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm dropping the sender, and so the receiver should return none. But apparently it's not. Ah, yes, because it's waiting for a URL to be searched. Isn't there like a receive timeout? Receive many. Close, receive many, poll receive. Poll to receive the next message on this method returns pending, ready, none. Blocking receive. Blocking receive to call outside of a synchronous context. Poll receive many. Isn't there like I'll just reuse the timeouts I was using? Like this, I guess. Apparently this website doesn't have a thing anymore. Let's just remove the whole database and start from scratch. See how it does. Okay, so it is visiting stuff. It is also very fucking slow. And there was an unwrapped timeout error. Okay. 132. So there. At some point it cannot send anymore. Which is quite strange. Which is quite strange. No value timeout. 132? There is no timeout. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know. This is somewhat annoying. I really don't understand how to make this work properly. I mean, I would be happy if it works because I don't have this like this disgusting thing with RC ref cell thingy. But yeah, besides that, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go eat. I'm just gonna go eat. Yeah, I don't know. I guess maybe it was nitpicking. I think next time I should like not worry too much about it. I already have a bunch of web pages, like a big database. I think it should be time to just try to have fun and make a search engine instead of like trying to make the scraper perfect. Like, don't really care about a perfect scraper. Like, just want a functioning search engine in the end. I think that would be more fun. So yeah, let's do that next time. And yeah, until then, see you.